Guys, here's a 1988 Trail King semi-trailer. It's a detached. It's got a 23-foot belly on it. That's from the neck where it hooks on that there. Right there. Back to here. The whole thing's going to be about 32 foot long. From the back of this, clear up here. But now, that's not counting the drive over ramps. That'll be from here clear to the back. It's approximately 32 foot with a 23-foot belly on it. And I've seen this machine work, and it's a pretty good little machine, little trailer. It's you're welcome to come look at it. Title's in order. The floor, you could replace the floor if you wanted to, otherwise. It's got some rust on it here. Right back here, it's got some rust. Right here, nothing here. It's got some rusted holes here. I don't know. It's got some right here. It's got some rust on it. It's the 88 model now. It's got it looked like a very good set of tires on it. Used to be your own judge. They look good to me. It'll have air brakes on it. I don't know. I don't have a trailer to pull it with. It's 8 foot wide. Whether everything's working or not, I don't know. I'm going to consign it on that auction, and if something doesn't work, so it be, I guess. But it is, you don't have to have a motor to detach it now, just a wet kit.